How to delete Netflix search history. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your search history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to delete your Netflix search history, let's say that you open the Netflix application, right, and then you just log into one of your accounts over here, and then you might be talking about when you tap the search option, you're being able to see all of these searches over here. Now just keep in mind that this is actually not your search history. Netflix doesn't keep a track of your search history at all. If you're talking about what is this, then this is simply some of the top searches that are made by people around your region. So if you read over here, you can see it says top searches, just like how you have the trending section on YouTube. This is like top searches, what many people around you are actually watching right now, and that is why it is showing up in the search recommendations page. The only history that Netflix keeps a track of is a continue watching and your viewing history. You can also delete them by just tapping the three dots option, selecting the option from remove from row. But if you're talking about this option over here, this is basically not your search history, so there's really nothing for you to worry about. And this way, hopefully this video answered your question. If you have got any more questions or queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.